Welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very important course, that is BSc in Programming and Data Science, which is offered by recently released, you can say, by IIT Madras, and you can do this course and get the BSc degree online. So let's begin this video without any delay. First of all, I would like to say that it is a very important decision, actually a step taken by them to cater the world class education to the student seeking computer knowledge from their home. Actually, it is just not like getting only the degree, but they also will be catering you the very lectures from the highly specialized or experienced professor. When you open their site IIT Madras, they claim that it is the world's first BSc program in programming and this data science. Actually, data science, the importance of data science, you can understand it because it is the computer age, you can say, and everything is all about wondering about data, like Facebook, Google, anything, Instagram, whatever right now you see around you is everything about data. And data is very expensive. We Indians don't understand it, but actually understand it, but we don't know, or we refuses its scope. That is, how can we make our career in this sector? So this online program, which is initiated by IIT Madras, you can also visit on their site. They claim that it is a very world's first program which is initiated by them, and they regularly update about this, like Neptel, Swayam. There are a lot of online programs they initiate to cater very smooth and much less expensive form of education which has been traditionally been in our country. So friends, talking about this course, I would like to suggest that if you are in class 12, then you can actually, after qualifying or passing class 12, you can apply for this course in the online mode, and you will have to appear its appearing exam. Then after you will get admission and you will do your courses. They will deliver the video lecture and you will have to appear at their weekly, monthly and assignment and quizzes. Then after you will be promoted to the next courses, and after 1 to 3 years you will complete this course and you will get a BSc degree. Actually, this course is structured in 3 levels, you can say, which is foundation level. It consists of 8 courses. Then after diploma level, which consists of 6 plus 6, that is 6 courses in this programming and 6 courses in data science. And after this you can also, actually there is also the facility to exit at any level. After doing foundation course, you can also leave out with the certificate from IIT Madras, and then you can also leave at the diploma level. You can complete 2 courses here, diploma in programming or diploma in data science. And if you are more interested, then you can also proceed at higher level to get the degree course, degree program, and you will get the BSc degree after completion of this course. And it consists of 11 courses. After completion you will get the degree, and you can also apply in various companies, and they also offer the placement opportunities for the student doing this course. So friends, if you are interested, then you can also visit it on their official website. I will also give their official website link in the description box, and this is also, I recommend this course anyone who is wanting to do. Actually, it is launched previous year due to this corona season, you can say, and actually everything is online, so they started this course and they claim to be the first in the world to start BSc program in this data science and programming. And actually the fee is little more high, you can say, I think approx 2 lakh plus. And reserved categories, they have some relaxation, but I think it may be worth it, because first of all you will get the certificate, your degree from IIT, so called IIT. It will also add up some advancement in your CV as well as your career. And if you are enthusiastic to go in the computer sector, then you will be finding this course interesting. Actually qualified and high level professors will deliver you the video lecture which will be beneficial. Actually there is not the things like that, you will not get the other courses like this, but it is actually from the IIT, so I believe it will be fine by my thought, and you can check it out if you are interested in this type of courses. So friends, this was a little information about this, and if you like, then share to your friends, whoever wants to cater their career in this sector. And if you are new, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching the video. All the best guys.